Want to customize your landing page in System.io? In this video, I'll show you how to edit your page step by step, no coding required. Step 1. Log into your System.io account and click on Funnels from the dashboard. Open the funnel that contains the landing page you want to edit. Step 2. Select the landing page from the left sidebar and click the Edit Page button. The drag and drop page editor will open. Step 3. Click on any text element to change the headline or description. Simply type your new content and your changes will appear instantly. Step 4. To replace an image, click on the existing image and upload a new one from your computer. You can also click on buttons to change their text, colors, or destination links. Step 5. Once you've finished editing, click Save Changes in the top right corner. Then use the preview option to make sure your landing page looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. That's it. You've successfully edited your landing page in System.io. If you want to build professional funnels and landing pages, check out my System.io affiliate link in the description below. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step guides.